Yo guys, Mr. Crazy 230 guys. Woo! What's up? How's it going? Hey Rebs! Hey Rebs! He knows I got something in my hand. Oh, you wanna go outside? Oh, you wanna go outside? Go outside. But oh my gosh. You know those popular things? Oh, okay. Those people keep on making and selling and stuff, the fidgets and stuff. Well, I'm like, it can't be that hard to make a fidget. So I take apart my skateboard and my scooter, and I get some of these. I'm like, okay, now all I need are some rubber bands or whatever. I go to my room. I'm like, let me look through my dresser, blah, 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 blah. Crap! I don't have any zip ties. I'm done. I'm done with my life. So far, guys, I'm hanging myself, blah, blah, blah. Not really, but oh my gosh. It's bit me so freaking long to find out how to just get these out of a scooter. Okay? I'll get the scooter and I'll get the scooter wheel, show you how much damage I did to it just by hitting it, okay? I legitimately tore it all off. This side's broken, everything. I used every tool in my toolbox. I can even get it open. Everything in here. Everything. As well as everything in my other toolbox. Open, please. And I mean everything. I even used a screwdriver. Not a screwdriver. What am I saying? I used this, which right now it's fully dead. I used it so long. But say hi, y'all guys. Reflection. It's weird. But yeah, it took me forever. And wait, I lost it. Found one. The other two are in my pocket. Found another. Okay. But it took me forever just to get them out. I go to my room and I'm like, wait, how do I make this again? Crap. So I go through some videos. I check them and I'm like, oh, finally. Thank God. Now it's just I gotta clean these. Right now, they still do not work. Hey, Ribs. They still do not work. Well, this one does a little. But yet, took me forever. This one barely even works. But anyway, it took me forever just to get them out. Whenever I get them out, I find out I don't have any zip ties. So right now, Jesus, scared me. So right now, I freaking hate these, okay? It took me what, about 2 hours? Wait, what time is it? Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Took me about 2 to 3 hours, okay? I really hate my life right now. So, one thing, don't spend too much time on something unless you got everything for it. Go through, rewatch on how to do it, what to do it. Yeah, don't start anything until you're fully ready, until you got everything. Okay? there's some tips from me. Trust me, now I gotta go to the store and buy some zip ties. Oh! Plus it's it's spring break. Yeah, plus it's spring break. So I'm off all week. Hallelujah! Woo! Yeah, but let's go. So tomorrow I'm just gonna destroy some stuff. Sorry that I haven't been in so much videos because I'm trying to do some stuff with my dad. Okay, personal stuff. Okay. Okay, but trying to upload some videos. It's tiring. Here's a shout out to a couple of my friends. 4 friends. 3, 4? Yeah, 4. 4 friends. Here's a shout out to all of them. Roger B. The real Roger B. Or is it real Roger D? No, it's real Roger B. Okay, go check him out. Clashing Lord 101. Chewy plays 64 or 65. Yeah. And Connor Anderson. They're all going to be down in the link. Their link is going to be in the description below. So go check that out if you want to see their YouTube page. I don't think you want to watch the second one. Ugh. His is horrible. Oh yeah. Yeah. Guys, I guess that's all. I gotta go to the store now and get some freaking zip ties. I really hate my life. See you guys. Stay crazy. Hoorah!